this right here?
Downpipe?
The wagon F80 or this?
Probably this.
Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to Beemer Fam. You guys join us at a nice Cars and Coffee with the keys to the F82 M4. Got my 14-year-old brother Ty. He's gonna drive this thing today. But first, we're gonna walk around this car meet, check out some of the cars, see what they got here. Mostly a BMW meet too up here at Dixon Motorsport. Got the drone out here too. Man, all kind of M's. Man, they got a M6 with the engine out. Look at that. And then you can see the M6 pretty much without the whole front clip of the car. So now you're starting to drive, right? This is the kind of stuff you're gonna have to deal with. You think you're ready for that? Is there any kind of thing you recognize?
Intercooler.
Intercooler.
And the turbo.
You find the brakes? Okay. What about this? What about this right here?
Downpipe?
Yes, sir. This starts with a T.
Transmission?
Yes, sir. Okay. And then this right here, you know what that is?
This?
Yeah.
ECU?
Yes, sir. Okay. Round of applause. So that's your first test. He's off to a good start. So what do you think about the DRLs? You want to do that to the F82?
Of course.
Okay.
It's so nice.
It's got like the 18-inch wheels on it, front lit. This meet kind of allows him to get some inspiration, see what kind of things we could do or not do. Clean 911 too in this color. I'm not sure what it is, but it's nice. You got this old 2002, the E39 M5 engine in it. Which one you taking though, bro? You taking the wagon F80 or this?
Probably this.
I feel that. This is unique too.
And the stick.
Yeah. Oh, it is?
Yep.
Dang. Super clean. Bucket seats for Carl. G87 M2.
Look at it.
Titanium front mounts on it too.
Crazy.
It's very nice spec. Dual baby seats in the back too. Nice diffuser on it. Got that donut too. How's it tasting?
Yeah. X3M comp.
Oh yeah, that's nice too. You got a favorite car yet?
Probably the G80.
M2? Yeah, that's clean. Okay.
Yeah.
So Ty, driving on the highway, what's some things that might be a little hard?
And if staying at 70, staying at 70 is gonna be hard.
What's your favorite thing about getting ready for the highway?
Getting onto the highway.
Oh, okay.
Cruising. Oh my God, look at the slicks on that.
Grief. Bro's running no plates too, so you know what that means.
Look at the tires.
I know. C63 is nice too with the chrome accents. It's got skinny wheels in the front, fat slicks in the back. That thing is insane.
That AMG ain't beating that. That AMG ain't beating that.
There ain't nothing beating that.
No plates. I like that.
You know, Kev used to have a vet.
Yeah. Grandma did.
Yeah. Got more vets pulling through. 06. They got the Demon out here with the factory slicks. You taking this or a vet?
I mean, that one vet, yeah, I'd take that vet. It's that only one vet, but if it were to be, this is stock, I'd take this.
All right. But before we let Ty drive the F82, we get to thank the sponsor of today's video, which is Redtiger. Redtiger was nice enough to send out their latest and greatest dash cam, the F17 Elite, which is the world's first dash cam with full color night vision in-cabin view. As soon as we open up the box, we are immediately greeted with the actual dash cam itself. Look at the material the dash cam is made out of. It is super sturdy, very high quality, and just feels like it's gonna last a very long time. But not only does it look good and feel good, you'll notice there's one camera, two cameras, and then we have a third camera. Having all three of these cameras is going to be crucial for those emergency moments. With the very simple and easy install process, all you have to do is mount the primary camera to the front windshield, plug in your included USB power cable, then take the secondary camera, mount it to the rear window, and lastly plug in the secondary camera's USB cable into the primary camera, and that's it. Watch the F17 turn right on, and immediately you'll see all three camera angles at once, which is insane. This F17 is always recording and comes with up to 512 gigabyte of of storage via the included Redtiger SD card. The F17 also features a fully functional touchscreen that makes operating the dash cam super seamless, especially when using the camera's built-in Wi-Fi, voice command, or other important functions. The F17 camera itself also rotates for the perfect angle, and the cabin view camera moves on an axis. Remember, this is the world's first dash cam to feature interior full color night vision. Just look how clear the interior of the G82 M4 looks at night, capturing every detail, color, and light. And that's not to mention during the daytime, the camera's quality is flawless, which is crucial for those emergency situations where you need to capture important details such as license plate, street names, or even a vehicle's make, model, or paint color. So if you guys are interested in getting yourself or a loved one Redtiger's brand new F17 Elite dash cam, I'll leave all links in the description. Be sure to keep an eye out for any discount codes to save yourself or a loved one some money. And with that being said, let's go ahead and continue on with today's video.
Oh! What we doing, man? I'm trying to break my neck. How it feel to be back behind the wheel? Good. All type of American cars over here.
They set me up a maze.
Yeah, this is first test. Maneuvering through a car meet. Man, that's a nice SS. What is that? If y'all know what that car is, let us know. Ooh, look at the reflection though. Ooh, dude. Hold on now there, Slick.
Good.
We want to make sure that temperatures are up. So right now PSIs in the back are a little low. We gotta bring those up. But we got 60 degrees Fahrenheit in the tire. So usually you never want to go full throttle unless you're above 70, maybe 75. Since you did pass your first test inside the garage, identify some crucial components on the engine. You can go ahead and go into manual shift mode. So I'm gonna have you drop it down, maybe fourth. We're gonna slow down, and we're gonna get back up to the speed limit. The good thing about the highway is it allows you to play with the speed a little bit more. Now ease into full throttle. Go back up to the speed limit. How'd that feel?
Amazing.
Now close the gap on Dad. There you go. If you had to choose though, between city driving and highway driving, which one you take?
Highway.
You like highway?
More safer.
Okay.
Definitely more fun.
Oh man, we got a check engine light on the dash too. But we know what that is. It's a hose to the PCV valve and engine bay. But have you ever used cruise control?
Nope.
If you click this button right here, yep, click it once, you see it turns green, right?
Yeah.
Then what you do from there is you toggle this up. You see it lock in right there at 60. And if you let off the gas, it'll hold it at that speed.
Yep. That's nice.
And then you can keep toggling switch up to increase the speed. If you press it up all the way, it goes up 5 miles per hour. So one little click is 1 mile per hour, and then one click up is 5. And if you ever want to turn it off, you just click the cruise control button down there, disables it, but it'll keep the light on so it's still ready to go. If you want to fully disable it, you click it twice and then it's off the dash. If you had to do a road trip in this, where's the first place you would go?
Florida.
Ooh, Miami? Okay.
Looks nice. The cars out there.
Okay. Weather?
Next would probably be Cali.
Achievement unlocked. He knows how to use cruise control. So I'm gonna go full Sport Plus. Let him feel the power. Stay on him. Good. I put her back in fifth. Now lock in. Stay on them. Something key to note.
Keeping firm hands on the steering wheel.
Firm hands on the wheel. but also when there's people present, the laws change. So if you get caught doing any illegal things in a construction zone, the fines sometimes double to triple. Okay, so that's something to keep in mind when you get your license. Maybe you're having spirited drives. You definitely want to, whenever you see any kind of construction worker, immediately just cruise. You know what I'm saying? Because sometimes you can lose a license depending on what the fine is, and if you're going too fast and stuff like that. So now we got to close the gap on Dad. You see the M6 is gone. We got to find him. I want you to drop it down, 4th. Pass on the Silverado.
It's a cop.
Where?
No, that ain't no cop, man.
So 4th, 3rd. Go ahead. Oh, I didn't see him. Good call, good call. You're good,
Stupid.
Get up to speed, go 75, yeah. You want to make a pass on this pickup. No. Now just hold the speed there until you pass them. Good job. And now, yeah, or not yet. Wait for you to clear the car in case he wants to get back. Sometimes people get off the exit and oh man, I didn't mean this exit, and they get back.
Gotcha.
So yeah, that's good.
What is that Ford doing, man?
Yeah, I don't know.
Chain lane, he started accelerating.
Crazy. That was a good way to stay calm. So I don't know if you guys saw that Ford jumped out. As soon as we started turning lane, he jumped out too and then tried to pass us. That's a good example. You're gonna have people who just don't know how to drive, and they looked like they were old. You know what I'm saying? So, way to stay calm.
Sure.
That's another pass test.
So how I took that boy. As soon as I accelerated, he was accelerating.
That thing was crackling though, wasn't it?
Mm-hmm.
That thing was sounding good. That's also why I think high horsepower cars are safer than typical economy cars, because you can use the power to maneuver. You get away or slow down, better brakes, better power.
I love that shift sound.
4th, 3rd, full throttle. There you go. Keep going, 4th. Nice. Thing feels, the DCT on the highway is crazy, isn't it?
It's crazy. It's so much better than Forza, man.
Yeah.
Love driving this thing, man.
Oh yeah.
So make sure there's no cops.
Yeah. Let's go 4th, 3rd, full throttle. I'll let you know. Shift. There you go. Close the gap on them. Go ahead, son. Go ahead.
One time, Dad didn't even see a semi. I saw it, and he just had to stay silent and let me do what I had to do.
Yeah.
Like on the highway smooth. Sometimes he gotta trust me.
Another good situation. That's why it's good to know the power of the car. Be able to use it. Now, actually, you can go too slow on the highway, and you can get a ticket for going too slow. So weird seeing that check engine light on there, man. They're back sitting in the car for a while now.
Feeling fine.
It's like how the F80s, they have the bulges in the roof. You know why they do that?
For the taller people.
Nope, for a race car helmet.
Oh.
So you have the space.
I can't wear no helmet in this.
It's like this in the carbon roof. Yeah.
I can't wear no helmet in this.
No, you could. You got enough clearance.
Do I?
Yeah, I think so. Get past this dude holding up traffic.
Oh, wait, what?
Go ahead, go 4th. Nice. I'm gonna have you make a right here. Go ahead, downshift to 1st. Sound like a thunderstorm. So I'm gonna have you make a left. You see what car that is?
What? Where?
Straight ahead. It's yellow.
Porsche?
Ferrari. They're gonna think you're shooting around these parts there, boy. Good, letting the family go. Good job, Ty.
Family here.
Yeah, that thing is nice. I think he startled those folks back there. Sorry, so I'm gonna have to make a right.
Saying sounds so nice when we're downtown,
I
man.
know, there's nothing like it.
Hold on.
Yeah, hold on. I gotta start dodging potholes.
Track here. Hold on. Oh yeah.
Watch out for these sticks.
Oh well.
Take a left.
Oh, that's a one way.
Oh, shows my bad. Nice call. That was a test.
Hey.
Yeah, see what you can do. Nice.
Right here.
Yep. I mean, he turns the wheel, okay.
Proper BMW parking lot here.
Ooh, he is technically in. But that is close. Thank you. Good though, boy. Let me tell you. How I feel.
Did this on purpose?
So since the last time we drove, feel more comfortable?
Yeah.
Okay. So you still think you like the highway more
Oh yeah.
versus the city? Final reward, he's gonna rev the car for us. Let us hear it. Steering wheel is the same, but everything else is a little different.
G-force.
Yeah, exactly.
But I can feel it when you're driving. Does it feel different when you're driving it?
I think the biggest thing versus Forza is like the turbos. So you got to manage the boost and then keeping the engine in boost, and then also if you got to shift the transmission.
What is
it's a lot to
DSC
take
off
in.
mean?
That's full traction off.
Do you feel comfortable?
Absolutely. Whoa. What
Wow.
is going on here?
Hey.
I have no idea. So man, how I feel, man? You getting better and better. Feel more confident?
Yup.
At this point, do you have anything to worry about?
Other cars, maybe.
So yeah, I mean, that is the biggest thing to worry about. A lot of times, it's the other drivers. You never know what they're gonna do. And it can be stressful, man, but old boy's doing good. He's just gonna keep getting better and better. At some point, he's gotta learn how to drive stick. We have a few manual cars in the family, so maybe M Roadster in the near future.
Maybe.
We'll have to see.
Probably the easiest one instead of driving the G80 or the M6. I mean,
Yeah.
those are two missiles right there.
You did try the M6 a little bit though, didn't
That
you?
was hard. It's just so responsive. You let off the clutch, and you start jumping.
Yeah.
I stalled it 3 times, but
What's your favorite part about the highway?
getting onto the highway. Maybe seeing other cars, especially when they pull up next to you.
It was kind of cool riding with that in the M6 though, right?
Yeah.
Like convoying, squad run.
And some dumb Ford in my way, but handled that real quick.
Yeah,
Get on the gas a little bit, but
sure.
that wasn't too much of a struggle.
So if you guys enjoyed today's video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button for more content like this. Check us out on Instagram at Beemer Fam. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.